Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrus and Willow Skincare and Citrus and Willow Advanced Aesthetics courses. And today I want to talk about Glymed Oxygen treatment products and some combination ways of utilizing them in your back bar. Oxygen is a staple in my back bar. It is great for so many skin conditions. Like acne. Acne is great for using oxygen with it because it stimulates cell turnover and it helps to kill that P. acnes bacteria, which causes the inflammation in the skin. It also helps with the surface P. acnes bacteria as well as the deep bacteria in the pores. So it's great for cleaning out those pores, whether you are adult acne or teen acne. It's also amazing for rosacea because it helps to control that Demodex mite, which is what causes that redness and inflammation in the skin. So it helps to calm down the inflammation that those mites create and reduces the redness on the skin. It's amazing for anti-aging as well because it also helps to give you an instant glow because of that stimulation of cell turnover. Glymed is one of my favorite product lines for utilizing oxygen back bar and retail. I want to talk about a few of my favorite products that I utilize all the time in my back bar, and you should be utilizing too. I want to talk about some of the staples that I utilize in my back bar for the oxygen products from Glymed. They are amazing for all types of skin conditions, and I get results so quickly by utilizing this oxygen in the treatment room and for retail for my clients. Oxygen deep cleans, it brightens, it tightens, it lifts, and plumps the skin. It creates that cell turnover, which is a must for anti-aging and acne. And I have to tell you, if you're not utilizing oxygen in your back bar, you need to be utilizing this, and I highly recommend these products. The first product that I absolutely love is the Oxygen Deep Pore Cleanser. I utilize that back bar as well as retail. It is great for creating cell turnover, purifying the skin, cleaning out the pores, and it helps to also disencrustate. You do not have to use steam with this, although you can utilize steam the last couple of minutes of leaving it on. And I do like to leave it on for a little bit to allow that disencrustation effect to work on the skin before I continue on with my exfol and my extractions. If you utilize this cleanser, it really does help to soften up those pores, making extractions a lot easier and a lot less painful for your client. It's also great to use as a double cleanse, or you can utilize it as a mask. So it does double duty there, and I love being able to have that option. The next product that I love is the O2 Treatment Cream. That can be used back bar and retail. I love utilizing this back bar. It can be used as a serum or a serum with a moisturizer. My favorite is placing Enfisa on top of it. It just gives you that hydrated, dewy glow that all anti-aging clients are looking for. The Oxygen Treatment Cream combined with the Oxygen Cleanser, that makes an amazing mask. You mix those two together and you can leave them on for 10 minutes, and it really does open up those pores, give you that dewy glow. It helps to fight hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I love utilizing that as a mask and using it pre-treatment as a mask as well. The great thing about utilizing that as a mask is it is also pregnancy and breastfeeding safe. So they're getting that cell turnover, they're getting the dewy glow that you would get from a light peel, but with those two products that are okay to be using. The next product I absolutely am obsessed with is the O2 Power Booster. It's a powder. It's utilized back bar only. I love mixing it with other products as well as utilizing it on its own. It's going to give you that extra boost to anything that you're already doing as a treatment on your client. And I brought that in first to see how much I liked it, and I have not strayed from that product. This product is amazing because it hits all the areas. It brightens and tightens. It helps to lift and firm. It helps with wrinkles, elasticity. It is amazing for hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Helps to minimize pore size. It cleans out your pores. There are so many benefits to utilizing this product back bar. The final oxygen product I want to mention from Glymed that is definitely a staple in my back bar is the Oxygen Regenerative Peel. There are so many things that you can do with this peel. It's a layered leave-on peel, and it contains 5% lactic acid. So you're getting that moisturizing as well as that deep clean out and cell turnover, and it's a double duty cell turnover with the lactic acid. It's amazing for dark spots and hyperpigmentation as well. It is a gentle peel, but it is also something you need to check the questionnaire and make sure that they have no contraindications. However, this is a first-time peel. Someone can walk in off the street without having any at-home care previous to this peel and can get the peel. Again, make sure you're checking their questionnaire and make sure that you are double checking anything that could be adverse to having this peel. If they are pregnant, do not do this peel. The great thing about utilizing this peel on a first-time client is they're definitely gonna be a repeat client because it gives you that immediate radiant glow. They are leaving with their skin changed from when they stepped into your treatment room to the time that they leave. And people come to us for facials because they already have a skin condition. So it is amazing to give them results on their very first visit. These products are amazing to place in your back bar. I highly recommend them. I like them for results-driven treatments, and they immediately give you that instant glow. I want to talk about some ways to cocktail these products. I love utilizing them in so many different ways, and I'm just going to give you a few ways that you can utilize them back bar with some other Glymed products to mix them to get your best results for your client. The first one I want to talk about, which I kind of touched on earlier, was the O2 cleanser with the O2 treatment cream. This mixed together equal parts creates a mask, and you can leave it on for 10 minutes. And do not worry, you do not have to use steam, but it is optional towards the end. The next is the Age Delay Serum mixed with the O2 boosting powder. That is an amazing treatment to leave on the skin. You can mix them together, it becomes a serum, and you place it on the skin as a leave-on. The next is the Biorenewal Serum mixed with the O2 cleanser. You're gonna leave that on for a few minutes and then remove it. It's a great cleanse/treatment for your client. This has gotta be Glymed's most popular one because this is how I started. It's with the Ultra Hydrating Enzyme Mask, which I love. If you have not placed that in your back bar, it is an absolute must. I mix that with the O2 cleanser and the AHA accelerator, giving a little bit of a boost to that enzyme mask and allowing your clients to get that hydration from the lactic acid and getting that cell turnover with the oxygen. It is a great combination to use as a treatment, or you can utilize it in a full facial if you like as well. It's gonna be pretty gentle on the skin. It's a great pre-treatment also. I love utilizing that as a pre-treatment. It feels great for your clients, and it gives you a little bit of a tingling sensation with the bubbling, and it looks really cool. I love using this on my clients and allowing them to like feel that action working. And last but not least, I wanna talk about the Ultra Hydrating Enzyme Mask mixed with the O2 powder and a little bit of that AHA accelerator or CBD booster. I like to mix those together depending on the skin condition. That's how I started with my combination oxygen treatments, and it gives you amazing results. Clients are immediately satisfied with the way their skin looks after. Whether you started as a pre-treatment, do it alone, they're still gonna get results, or you start it as a pre-treatment and do it with something more advanced, they're gonna get results either way, and they're gonna love how it lasts. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I really recommend bringing in those products back bar if you're trying to focus on a results-driven clinic environment or results-driven skincare environment. They are great and they are a must. If you guys like this video, make sure you press that like button, subscribe. In the comments below, let me know what you have questions about. What do you want to learn about next? We are here to help you. Do not forget that we have a mentor program. Follow our Instagram and let us know what you want to see next. See you next week.